Hello and welcome to this new Edge SEO challenge. Today you're going to learn how to do what every SEO dreams of doing without lifting a finger on the technical side, deploying a 301 redirect without touching the htaccess file. To do this, we're heading to the Bulk Redirection app, your new ally for fixing broken links or setting up a post-migration redirect plan in the blink of an eye. Bulk Redirection is your favorite shortcut in the jungle of redirects. No more messing with the server or begging your tech team. You just upload a simple CSV file, click, and your redirects are deployed. If you haven't followed the first tutorial, start by duplicating, copying, the Google Sheet file that will let you deploy your redirects. We already did that in the previous step, so now we're going to go straight back to the Google Sheet file and into the bulk redirection tab. So setting up a redirect is really very simple. In the source column, you enter the URL you want to redirect. Here, I've created a fake URL, test redirection 301. In the destination column, you enter the URL you want to redirect to. So here, we're going to redirect to the home page. And finally, in the code column, you can specify the status you want to set up. So here, we're going to deploy a 301 type redirect. You also have the option to do a 302, a 307, or a 308. Next, just like with Bulk SEO, you can download the CSV file. You go back to the Bulk Redirection app and upload the Bulk Redirection file. Once it's uploaded, you can click on Deploy if there are no errors inside. If there's an error, it will be shown to you. I click on Deploy, and now I'm going to test my redirection. So I copy and paste the URL I want to redirect, and as you can see, I'm redirected to the home page. Here, test redirection-301 is redirected with a 301 to the home page. And there you go, your 301 redirect is in place. No hassle, no dev ticket, just you and Edge SEO. But that's not all. With bulk redirection, you can also fix a large number of 404 errors, prepare a complete redirection plan after a migration, and easily manage changes to your page structure on a daily basis. In short, you stay in control of your strategies and sleep better at night. I invite you to read the application's documentation at the bottom of the page, and I'll see you soon for a new challenge.